In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shifts in Hubstaff. Managing shifts efficiently is an essential part of running a smooth operation, and Hubstaff offers some great tools to help with this. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, after you log into your Hubstaff account, you'll want to navigate to the calendar. You can find the calendar by looking over on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will give you a comprehensive view of your team's current schedule. Being familiar with the calendar layout is crucial because it allows you to see where gaps might exist and helps you plan accordingly for them. Once you're on the calendar, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. There, you'll notice an Actions menu. By clicking on the Action button, a drop-down menu will appear. This is your gateway to manage different scheduling options for your team, so get comfortable navigating it. It's in this menu that you'll also find the option to create a new shift for your team. Click on Create Shift. This is where the magic happens. Upon selecting this, you'll be prompted to follow on-screen instructions to set up your new shift. Hubstaff's interface is designed to be fairly intuitive, so these prompts are user-friendly and will guide you through each step methodically. As you follow these on-screen prompts, you'll likely have to enter details such as the shift duration and the specific times you want it to start and end. You might also need to assign which team members are to work these shifts, so it's helpful to have already considered who will best fit into these time slots. While setting up the shift, you can add any pertinent details that your team needs. This could include notes on tasks that need to be completed during the shift or special instructions for team members. Entering these details is essential to ensure everyone is on the same page and knows what's expected during their working hours. After you've set everything up, be sure to review all the information you've entered. Double-check the start and end times and ensure that the correct team members are assigned to the shift. It's always a good idea to review your entries as a best practice, just to be sure that nothing is missed and that the schedule runs smoothly. Finally, once you've verified that all the information is correct, confirm or save the shift. Upon saving, the new shift will now become visible to both you and the team members assigned to it. They will receive notifications of their upcoming schedule, keeping everyone informed and up to date. That's it. You've successfully created a shift in Hubstaff. By following these steps, you can make organizing your team's schedule a breeze. With practice, this will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently coordinate work shifts. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.